In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brand new workspace in Slack. Creating a new Slack workspace is a great way to set up a completely separate communication space for a company, a project, or any team that needs its own clean environment. Instead of mixing everything into an existing workspace, this gives you a fresh start with dedicated channels, separate members, and its own settings and integrations. To begin, open your web browser and go to Slack's official workspace setup page. You can also do this from inside the Slack desktop app if you're already signed in. On the far left side where your current workspaces appear, scroll down and click the plus icon for adding a workspace. From there, choose the option to create a new workspace. Next, Slack will ask you to verify your account. You'll see a field where you can enter your email address, or you can choose to continue with Google or Apple if that's more convenient for you. If you enter your email manually, Slack will send you a verification code. Open your inbox, find the message, copy the 6-digit code, and paste it into the setup screen to continue. This step helps confirm that you're the person creating the workspace. Once your account is verified, Slack will ask for some basic details about your team. First, enter the name of your company or team. Choose something clear and descriptive, since this name will appear throughout the workspace and help identify it easily. After that, click Next. Then you'll be asked what your team is working on right now. This might look simple, but it's actually useful because Slack uses that entry to create your first custom channel automatically. So enter a short project or topic name that makes sense for your team, then move on. After that, Slack will give you the option to invite other team members. If you're ready, type in their work email addresses so they can join right away. If not, you can skip this step and handle invitations later. You may also be given a shareable invite link, which can be useful if you want to manage access more carefully before bringing people in. Finally, click the button to finish setup or open the workspace in Slack. Slack will complete the creation process and load your new workspace. Once it opens, you should see a clean workspace with the default general channel and the custom channel based on the project name you entered earlier. To make sure everything is working, click into the message box, type a simple test message, and press enter to send it. That confirms your workspace is live and ready to use.